Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And a very good day. My name is Muhammad Arif Ashraf bin Amran, and my metric number is 2023389551. And today I'm going to be presenting about my project presentation for my internship, which is ASEAN Auditor Conference Information and Registration Web System. So this is the company overview. But before that, I would like to give some information whereby my internship period is actually only for 3 months, which is starting from 10 March 2025 until 13 June 2025. And the company that I have my internship is at Jabatan Audit Negara. More specifically, it is at Lebuh Perdana Timur, Precinct 1 Putrajaya, the main branch of Jabatan Audit Negara. And the company and my position during my internship is uh, as a web developer and also a designer. So, what is my internship objective? First and foremost, I have highlighted three of my objective, which first of all, I want to be able to use the knowledge that I have learned at university in a workplace environment. Besides that, I want to also be able to improve my technical skill through real world projects. And lastly, I want to be able to communicate and work effectively with my team members. Next, I'm going to touch on my internship scope, whereby the scope during my internship is to be a system tester, a web developer, web designer, and also to do some project report. So this is my project website, which is ASEAN Auditor Conference website. So, sir, if you want, you can join via the QR, maybe on your phone. I will demonstrate in the website. Uh, okay, so this is the link. So, what is this website about? This website is basically for user to acknowledge and to know more information about the ASEAN Auditor Conference website. But it is more specifically for user that want to know more information about the ASEAN conference and also the people that are attending the event. So what includes in this website? It has a lot of section. For example, in this above menu, whereby it has about, speakers, background, inquiries, event, venue, and also contact us. So if we go down here, it's stated in this section is about the event section, whereby it includes on what is the ASEAN Auditor Conference about and the countdown until the event, which is at 27 May 2025, which is about 4 days. Here, I've put some pictures so that it is easier for user to navigate and find out who is the person involved in the event. So I've also do some another section whereby I divide it into the session, whereby the session is actually it contains about 6 sessions or 7 sections, I believe, and each section I've divided it so that it is easier for user to know on when or on or also on who will be the speakers and also the moderator. So here's the first event, second session, and third session. Third session actually has two concurrent sessions, which I will be uh, talk about after this. So now we're going to go on to the event section, whereby on day one, as I previously mentioned, it is about for user to know on that attend the event to know on what is going on. So I have do some tentative whereby I list all the tentative that happening during the event on day one and also day two. Whereby day two it has some concurrent event So I have divided it into more individual parts, whereby maybe session three at first at Putra Hall A on the left side and also Putra Hall B on the right side, whereby it's also highlighted some information regarding it. And currently, the people that has viewed the website is actually about I think it's roughly about 5,000 plus people. So let's go back to the main website, the main presentation slide. And now I'm going to talk about what is my project overview. So my project overview is to update the information in the system. And secondly, to finding bugs and error in the website. Third, to managing and maintaining the website. And also lastly, to improve to improve the existing website. So first and foremost, updating the information in the system. As you can see here in this picture, this is me and also some of my coworkers attend a physical meeting um, with the end user, which is there's two people end user here, whereby they want maybe some changes, some many changes that really needed to be change as soon as possible on the website. And also, maybe they're giving some PDF file whereby I need to extract all the information and present it onto the website. So by both physical meeting and also the PDF file, uh, I have to paste it onto the main website. Next is improving the existing system. For example, I have made a drop-down pop-up bar whereby I use JavaScript that I have learned during my university and also CSS. Whereby, for example, here the it has been closed because it is already past the due. But I have made another example whereby I have changed the date so that here is the pop-up notification that I have done for the system. Okay. Next, we're going to go on finding bugs and error in the website. Whereby, for example, here the before picture, the navigation bar is actually doesn't align properly when entering the website. So what I did is actually I need to lower the section so that it can easily align with the interface. And second example, because there's a lot of people viewing it, so it must be exactly as perfect as it can be. So, for example, the panelist is actually not in capital letter, but number five is in capital letter. So I need to change it. Uh, uh, Furthermore, I also manage and maintaining the website, whereby the website is not only for website view, but also can be for phone view, whereby maybe the end user, the people that attend, would most likely watch it using their phone. So I want to make sure, which is this, I want to make sure that when adding some sort of new stuff, adding new section, it does not affect the interface, whereby in the phone view and also the website view. Website, besides that, the website is always up to date with the latest information. Uh, Furthermore, I also learned to code in Laravel and check data in the database. But I'm going to demonstrate it now. Uh, wait, eh. So this is the main website. So for example, this is only a dummy website, whereby I did not really proceed on um, publishing it. It's just for me to learn on how to use it. So for example, I will put my IC, and in this ID SQL, whereby here it actually does not appear any sort of ID at first. But when we register it, we put the name and country, and I would choose Malaysia, Laos. Okay, and then I'll put my email and submit it. It will go to here, whereby if you click on the corporate detail, you will go back to the official website. So this website is actually for user, so that user can navigate through it when they are attending the website, just for registration. And to see if it works or not, now I'm going to go to Hide SQL, and when I hit refresh, it has new information regarding it. And the code uh, in this that I have learned, it involves three parts, which is MVC, model, view, and also controller. So I must navigate through each and every one of them in order to make it work. I did not do the whole code, but I do some segment of the code. But for example, at that part, I do the negara, whereby the negara Laos, which is number 4, and when we opened it, it stated that negara is number 4, which is Laos. So to make sure that it is working. Next, I'm going to go on the next slide. So other than learning to code in Laravel, I also do some other stuff such as attend meeting and also event and also practices. For example, here in these both pictures, I attend the Hari Raya program, and in this picture, attending to as I will be some of the person in charge in registration. So there are some of the stuff that I do besides other than coding. So so let me recap it, my objective recap, and also the learning outcome of it. So first and foremost, again, the objective for number one is, which is I want to be able to use the knowledge that I learned at university in workplace environment. So throughout this internship, I was able to apply the knowledge and skill gained from my university studies, especially in web development and programming. This includes using the languages that I've learned during my diploma and also degree, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and also some Laravel, which I was able to complete the task that has been assigned to me by my supervisor. Besides that, I also want to be able to improve my technical skills through real world projects, which I had the opportunity to work on real projects, which helped me to strengthen my technical skills and gain hands on experience. This includes tasks like fixing bugs, updating content, and also developing web features, which are different from classroom exercises. And lastly, I want to be able to communicate and work effectively with my team members. So during this internship, I learned on how to communicate professionally and also work together with other team members, which in return has helped me to understand the importance of teamwork, time management, and also responding to feedback in a work environment. So with that, thank you for listening.
Thank you, Arif Ashraf. Maybe I'd like to listen to hear something as feedback from Cik Muhammad Fairuz.
Okay, thank you, TS Dr. Ahmad Faiz Galali from representative of university. Actually, during Arif start on internship in Jabatan Audit, it's the right time. It's the right time when I say we are developing the most event in the country. Now we are chairman of the ASEAN.
Yeah.
So as a Jabatan Audit, we also have a conference of auditor in ASEAN, whereby during Arif internship, we will in the progress of updating or developing a website for information in ASEAN conference. I can say from we are learning from university or the I can say all the programming language, database. Then, but the most valuable in the internship in Jabatan Audit, I can say Arif is dealing with how industry work in the real life of job. Arif is dealing with the top website whereby all the country in ASEAN are focused when they want to get information. Then Arif also dealing with top management where the changes of the website is repeatedly and without 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 we can say need to update immediately without delay. Then Arif also can Arif also can shout out to himself. This is product whereby I am developing the website. From our Jabatan Audit, I want to thank to Arif for being the part of ASEAN conference website. Thank you so much, and thank you also from university side where you are giving us such very good student to intern with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Cik Muhammad Fairuz, for guiding our students throughout the internship. I think there's remaining another 3 weeks, right?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, he is one of our most active students in my
Oh,
class. So, I'm proud and happy to hear your comments as well. Okay. Okay. As we all know, so after the internship, the possibility for rehiring, yes, the process especially for government, it depends on warden and things like that, right? Do you think how much the possibility that maybe he could be, maybe involved with some other projects after this?
okay. Actually, currently government Malaysia have the scheme of we call My Step. So we are currently offering him to continue to give us his best for support. We will provide him to get a scheme for the My Step in Jabatan Audit.
Okay, inshallah.
Actually, him also has commit to proceed with the My Step. Actually, My Step is good for intern, whereby if they in the middle of the My Step period, if that them got in either new interview or got new job, they can go as well.
I see. So the main thing is learn a lot lah, because very look at the environment and how Arif told about the company.
Yes.
It's very positive working environment, and then also work in a team, and a lot of opportunities lah. I think a lot of opportunities over there.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's all from me. I hope maybe we can still contact each other in case needed in future. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. No problem. Can.
Okay. I think that's all for today. So thank you so much to Cik Muhammad Fairuz, and
Okay. Thank you also
congratulations.
from university.
Yeah, you're welcome. And
Good job,
congratulations.
Arif.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. Okay. So, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.